Some of the initial hurdles you will find in filing for divorce as a stay at home mom are access to cash. A lot of stay at home moms leave all of the financial decision making, record keeping, and access to their husbands, right? Like they earn the money, they're the one who handles all of that. And then things have gotten to where you decide you really don't have other options but to file for divorce. You've got the immediate question of how are you going to pay a lawyer? And he sees all of the bank accounts and credit cards and everything else. So if you do, isn't he going to see it on your bank statements? So that's one of the first problems you have to solve. Another problem you have to solve is how are you going to pay for your life on an ongoing basis? That's your biggest hurdles to overcome when you're starting the divorce process as a stay-at-home mom. So for the first one, in thinking about legal fees, it's tricky. What you may need to do is ask a friend or a close family member, a relative, to front you in a loan the amount of money you'll need for legal fees. So that's one option. You could perhaps take out a credit card that maybe you have sent to a best friend's house or your mom's house or something that you could use to pay for the fees. And then hopefully he's not super one of those credit report guys who would get a notice. So like be careful about that. But you can get in a sticky situation. What you can also do is ask the court for money from your estate, like if he cuts you off, because it's half your money, okay? But it's a practical problem, not necessarily a legal problem, because he may change all of the account passwords, remove your access, or maybe you never had it in the first place. So like, what are you practically gonna do? You'll eventually get access to it, but a lot of lawyers, if you go to them and like, I'm a stay-at-home mom, we have a decently big estate, but I need to start the divorce process now, but I don't have any money to give you. They're going to be like, look, I really can't run on credit here. Like get a credit card or a loan or something and let somebody else be your bank. I'm the law firm. So you really need to think through the practical aspect of how you're going to afford legal fees